Hello! So here we are in autumn, okay? And I wanted to show you guys some of the hair products I bought for the fall and winter season. I'm going to be using all of these products consistently throughout the season, okay? So let's begin. Alright, now first let's kind of talk about hair color, okay? If you guys can kind of look, my hair has a bit of a reddish tint to it and also a little glitter. This is my mocha brown cinnamon undertone hair, okay? And I did this all with temporary colors, okay? So let's kind of to show. So in this season, we're going to be doing copper and red. So every time I want to change up hair, I will do that. This is the As I Am Curl Color brand. Hot red and copper. And this is Curl Sniff. This is a really good hair gel, by the way. Curl Sniff. This is copper. Okay, so all of these are really great, and I'll do a little showing of those colors for you guys later. And now let's kind of talk about shampoos and conditioners. Now the main thing that I'm going to be using this season, especially fall, is I'm going to be using this brand here, the Good Earth Beauty. And this is the Pumpkin Chai Restorative Shampoo. I actually got this on Amazon when I was searching for fall type of hair products, fall scented hair products. And this was one of the only ones I really could find. And I mean, it smells so good. Exactly like pumpkin chai. Pumpkin spice. And yes, I also had mentioned in my previous video, you guys can check out that video on the pumpkin beauty products, okay, video. That will be recommended at the end of this video. But I also got the Spice Pumpkin Brulee. This is the body cream that comes with this set. So this is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body cream. Okay? Yeah. And try as well. Silky hair conditioner. When you look on the back of the ingredients of all these products, especially the shampoo, everything in the shampoo is pretty much organic. And that really impressed me, the ingredients, especially for shampoo, because shampoo is probably the most important part of your wash day routine. Something I've learned, and so I like how they are paying attention to details and making sure that they're having organic ingredients inside the shampoos. Another brand that really caught my eye is this brand right here called Eco Love. This is the carrot, pumpkin, and sweet potato shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Very, very great. When it comes to smell, it doesn't smell too strong like fall, but the ingredients make me eager to use this for fall, obviously. And of course, it's 100% vegan, no parabens, no petrochemicals or SLS. So more than anything, this brand is very, very healthy, and I'm going to be using this most of the fall and winter seasons, okay? Along with the hair mask. Eager to use that, okay? Just going to show a little bit of this mask. Yeah. When it comes down down to these products, they're not really fall scented. Okay, I bought this obviously on Amazon, and what really intrigued me about it was the ingredients and the information when it pertained to it. So because of that, I actually had got this product for that reason. Okay, but anyways, moving on to also some honorable mentions. I'm going to be using this right here, pumpkin puree. Of course, all my gel wash and goes are going to be done with Wetline Extreme. And this is organic pumpkin seed oil. And the honey almond salon care conditioner. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of use this for co-washing and for pre-poos. You guys will see me kind of make my own little cocktails on these products, to be specific. Okay, and let's kind of go into stylers. Okay. Oh wait, no, deep conditioner. Let's go there. So, very fun. I am obsessed with this. The concept is beautiful and amazing. The Anika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I've never used this product, but of course, because it's a soul food, it got me thinking of Thanksgiving. So I was like, this is definitely a hair mask I want to use this season. Okay? Kind of does smell a little carroty. Yeah, I can see where it kind of has a bit of a fall scent to it. Yeah, and then of course this one here, the pumpkin mint. I can immediately smell this. When I got this from Amazon, I smelled this right away. Yeah, this is definitely smells like. Okay, and mint. Okay. So here we are. Now let's talk about our stylers. Let's go ahead and talk about the stylers. The one that I'm the most eager to try is the Donna's Recipe. The sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in conditioner. I cannot wait to try Donna's Recipe. This is so cute. The concept is amazing. The smell. Yes. Pumpkin, sweet potato pie for sure. Yeah. Okay. Definitely fall. Definitely fall scented. Okay. I'm probably gonna do different plays of wash and goes. I'll probably do a 3-product wash and go for both, and I'll probably also do separately, just so that we get an idea of how effective the products are. But I imagine I'm going to be using this a lot for the fall season, and probably I'll also use it winter time. I love this. And then, of course, Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. Very fall scented. Very fall scented. It smells just like honey. Just like honey. And this is probably one of the best leave-in conditioners for my hair. I love this product. I highly recommend this product to those of you guys who are thinking about it. This is very, very good for your hair, okay? Along with this is the Spiked Honey Mousse. It's a 4-in-1 styler. I've never used this. This is a new product that they kind of just launched, I think last year or something. But what I like about this product is that it's been known to be very elongating. And when it comes to hair mousses, we don't really hear that. We don't really hear that, oh, this mousse is elongating the hair. But I've seen some reviews on it, and I was really impressed by the results of a lot of women with this product. So I'm really eager to try the Canal Rose Spiked Honey Mousse, okay? It's gonna be great. And then I am also going to be using Trelux. Now Trelux is famous for this leave-in conditioner. Of all the Trelux's products, this is definitely my favorite. I love Trelux. Now this is the Untied a Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. This smells like cinnamon, Christmas, big red cinnamon gum. I mean, this is fall and winter for sure. I always use this every year. And some other ones I'm also going to be trying. I've never tried their Reflux Curl Styling Serum, but I'm going to be using this in combination with this, the Curl Supreme Hydrating Cream 4-in-1. I've used this product before. When I had tried it in the past, this wasn't my favorite, but I want to see how it will work with this hair serum. So I want to see how that will work in a wash and go. And when it comes down to this product here, I have quite a few bottles of this, but I really like to use this with another type of wash and go, which I'm going to show you guys now. So as we head into Christmas time, I usually like to use argan oil. I don't know what it is, but argan oil always makes me think of Christmas. And so I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature argan oil line more towards the winter time, okay? And these were very affordable. It was only $5 for each of these. And I got these at Target. And my favorite wash and go is actually to use Extreme Hair Gel with this Curling Custard, Curling Gold Custard by this brand. And I like to mix it with the Trelux. I find that I get the perfect winter wash and go. It gives me hold, it defines my curls, it smells so good. I love the way this line smells, and it completely reminds me of Christmas. Gets me really excited for holidays. I've never tried their intensive conditioning treatment, so I'm eager to try this. And of course, I have used this hair mousse by them, and I really like it. The scent is amazing, and I even have a little bit in my hair right now. So I've been using this for a very long time. Very good hair mousse, okay? So that is a little bit on the hair products that we're going to be using this season, okay? So go ahead and check out the pumpkin beauty products videos just to get some information on some of the things that you see in the background, the candles, and more information on body care and skincare and stuff, because I go over that in that video. But as far as hair, this is where we're at. So, bye, enjoy!